Hey, let's talk about the start of selfie era, in which HTC made a contribution. In 2014, it launched a real selfie phone. That's the HTC Desire Eye. With the bunch of qualities, HTC focused on selfie cam, and we're gonna take a look on that. So let's get a brief analysis of HTC Desire Eye. Okay, so let's start with this phone. On the right side, you get the volume button, power button, and a camera shutter button. There is a real improvement in this phone. And the front camera is 13 megapixel. On the left side, you get the SIM slot and a memory card slot, and on the back side, you also get the 13 megapixel cam, and I got the AT&T version and a bit of the rough cell phone. So here on the OS and the UI is the typical HTC UI with 4.4 Android, and the drop-down menus got be improved. Yes, and specifically the basic and the more important functionality of this phone is the waterproofing. Here we get the 4.4.4 HTC with 6.0 HTC Sense. Okay, so this phone gives you 2 GB RAM with the typical HTC UI, and the icons go vertical, as you can see. Yes, great style. And it gives you 5.2 inches screen, not too big, not too small. Gives you 2400 mAh battery with a quick charge option. It's amazing. Yeah, I mean, in the start of this era, the HTC gives you bunch of the heavy qualities. Great selfie phone with 30 megapixel camera, 2.2 f aperture, and 22 mm lens. It's a great phone indeed, and got a dual LED flash on the front side. And great picture functionalities, picture-in-picture, wide front lens, panorama. And that's it. And hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe.